Hello newbies! Welcome to my new video. In today's video we are going to hack bypassing rate limits via race conditions lab from Web Security Academy powered by Portswigger. So in this lab there is a login mechanism uses a rate limit to defend against brute force attacks. And this defense is easily to bypassed using a race condition. And to solve the lab, all what we have to do is to connect as a user Carlos and then go to the admin panel and then delete Carlos user. And we do here credential of winner, Peter, and we have a list of passwords. So we will use this later. And we have some recommendation here. One of them that we have to use a version of 2023.9 or higher for Perpsuit. So please guys check that you are using a new version. So if you don't know how to update your Perpsuit, please watch my video and you will find the link in the description below. And take a note guys that this lab have a time limit of 15 minutes. So we have to solve the lab in 15 minutes. So before start guys, let's go to extensions and please check that you have Turbo Intruder because we will need it. And if you don't know how to install it, just go to BApp and then go in here and write Turbo. And here we go, and all what you have to do is to click install. So in case that I already installed it, I'm not gonna do it anymore. So guys, without further ado, let's go now. And here we go guys, as you can see we have a timer working in here, so we have to solve the lab in very short time. Let's go to my account, so in case that I know that the flaw in the logging function. So let me activate Foxy Proxy, I'm using Community Edition, and then let's go to Proxy, let's click twice in intercept button and let's go to HTTP history. So now as I know that I'm going to hack Carlos, so let me use a fake password and test. And here we go. So I'll write hack in here. And here we go. So this is the post request. Let me send it to repeater. Let me close Introspector. I don't need it. And here we go. Now let me resend again. So as I know guys that there is a defense. So let me see it in render. And here we go, so the password is invalid. Let me send it again, and again, and here we go. And now I get blocked for 55 seconds. And here we go guys, so now what I have to do, I'm going to try to bypass this defense and sending many requests in the same time using Turbo Intruder. And first let me select the password field, and right click extensions, then Turbo Intruder and send to Turbo Intruder, and here we go. So what we have to do, I'm going to select, let's scroll down, I'm going to select race single packed attack, so this is it. And now I'm going to use this list of password, so let me select all of it, and here we go. So to use Turbo Intruder, it requires you to know some Python. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add more passwords. Then I'm going to use it as an array. Then I'm going to map it in here. And let me change the E and call it with a password. So this is the array passwords and this is the item password. It take item one by one, and then I'm going to change it in here and say password. And to know that where this password will be, we will check it in here, that we selected already, and you see that the password field, it changed it by %s. So if you didn't select it in here, it doesn't change to %s, so please be careful when you are using a Turbo Intruder. And now I have to fill this array, so let me copy this again and let me go to the console and let me create an array. So I'm using a JavaScript guys, and this is not a double quote, so please be careful. So let me paste all the passwords and come in here and write split, and I'm going to split it by return the line. So this is predefined function in JavaScript. So let me press enter, and now I have an array. So as you can see it, let me now copy it. Let's copy the object and let me replace it in here. As you can see, guys. So now what I'm going to change the gate with 1 and the open gate to 1, and let me start the attack. So let me close this one and let me back in here, and here we go, guys. It was very easy. So this is the redirection, and these are 400 requests and these are 200 requests. So this is definitely the password. So let me write Carlos, and let's say, so this is the payload 1 2 3 3 2 1. So 1 2 3 3 2 1, and let's say login. Let me close this one. So in here I have invalid CSRF because I already use it in here. As you can see, guys, I already use it in here. So what I have to do, I'm going to close Foxy Proxy. So let me back in here and let me go to my account, and here we go. So now let me say Carlos, and let me use this payload. So 1 2 3 3 2 1, and let me close this one, and here we go. Now we are connecting as a Carlos. So let's go to the admin panel, and now let me delete Carlos. And here we go, guys. We are successfully solved this lab. So it was very easy. Thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for the next videos.